we have here, Mustang fans. 1996 Mystic Cobra. This car is a two-owner vehicle. Was originally owned in Colorado before coming here to Minnesota. The second owner, unfortunately, moved out of the country before he really had much time to enjoy this car at all. So he brought it to us before he was moving, and that's how we ended up with it. So two-owner car, no accidents indicated on the Carfax, clean Carfax, confirms the miles. It's a low-mile car too, under 10,000 miles. I believe it's at 9,400 right now. If you're familiar with what's under the hood, it's 4.6 liter dual overhead cam, 24 valve V8. This was the first year of the modular engine, 1996, in the Mustangs. So the Cobra engine, this one had 305 horse with 300 pound-feet of torque. So it was a quite torquey engine, a pretty big bump up on horsepower from the previous 1995 model. And since they were redoing an engine and putting a new engine in the Cobra, they kind of wanted to have something that was special. They came up, Bass came up with this Mystic paint, and they made approximately, I think it was 2,000 of them, 1,999, 2,000 of them you'll see. And as you can see, as I move this camera, it'll go from purple to green to kind of some blues as the majority of what you're going to see in the artificial light here. You get this car out in natural light. You can have root beer color, you can have gold color in there, you'll have teal, blues, purples. Absolutely just beautiful car, cool look to it. I personally used to own one of these, and they're fun. It's a nice driving car, rides out great, seats are comfy. This particular car, as you can see, it's not full of nicks, chips, road debris that's hit it, the front or anything like that. Pretty straight up car. Now you gotta remember, this car is 23 years old, so you may have some little imperfections in the paint here and there, but overall, gotta remember, this is less than a 10,000 mile car, so it's an extremely nice shape. I'll show you the interior, and it's like new in there. These wheels, these are the stock wheels that came with it. There's been no modifications done to this. You see a lot of people take these, lower them, put springs in them, lowering springs, supercharge them. I mean, all the mods that they do to Mustangs. If you're looking for one that hasn't been molested, here you go. This one's stock. The original floor mats are in the trunk. There's been an extra set that have been put in the car, so the floor mats are also in nice shape. If you want to check out the still pictures of this car, down in the description of this video, there's a link that'll take you right to this car. Our website's uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions you may have on this car. Also, the original tires. Only thing I think that's probably really been changed on this car is the battery. As you can see up and down the sides of it, it is not full of nicks, dings, scratches, any door dings, anything like that. Take a look at this interior. It's crazy. It's like brand new. In the black leather interior, there was a few of them made with cloth, but not very many. There were 5, 6, 7, 8 of them or so, maybe 9. Head cloth interior, majority you're going to see are leather. That 4.6 liter, that's paired with a 5-speed in this car. It's got a manual 5-speed transmission in it. You can see dual exhaust back here. First year when they went back to the vertical tail lights, used to be the horizontal ones in 94 and 95 of these SN 95 body style Mustangs. And again, you can see how nice the paint is on this one. By the way, I believe this one is number 667 of the 2000 or 1999 made. I'm not sure. You see some different stories on that, but I believe this one in the registry is number 667. There is a steering wheel cover on that that's not hiding anything underneath the steering wheel. I think this is the previous owner put it on there to protect the steering wheel. So steering wheel is still like new. I wish we had some natural sunlight and you could see there. You almost get a little bit of the yellow and gold off to the side, but the colors that this thing will switch to, and depending on kind of the height of the sun in the sky, if that makes sense. Mornings at sunrise and evenings at sunset is when this one will really come alive. Let's go ahead and check the interior out. We'll fire this up so you can hear it run too. Again, completely stock. Only thing in here, the floor mats have been taken out and put in the trunk. So there are 2 front floor mats there. Take a look at the seat. Got a nice shape that's in. Just your kind of typical wrinkles from how natural leather will wear, just like a expensive pair of shoes or leather coat. And look at the door cards. And again, everything works in the car. No engine lights, service lights, anything like that on. I'm going to go ahead and start this up for you. You can see what the odometer is there, what, 9643, I believe it is. Yep, 9643. See how the gauges work. Again, no engine lights on. Stereo works fine. You get a CD and a cassette player here. Clock on the dash. Again, everything stock and everything working. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks. Like I said, these are very comfy seats. Does have a power driver's seat, manual passenger seat. Slip around to the back, you hear this thing. Stereo system is the Mach stereo system in it too, by the way. Stock dual exhaust. Just a little rumble out of that. Nothing crazy, but a nice sounding engine. So like I said, the Mach 460 stereo system. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second and pop this hood so you can check out this engine bay. See, this car is basically like new for a 23-year-old car. Alright, let's take a look under the hood of this thing. You can tell it hasn't been driven in any nasty weather, which is pretty tough to get around in one of these in any sort of inclement weather anyway. There's that big dual overhead cam, 4.6 liter. It's only available in the Cobras. Cobra intake. And again, you can see how clean this thing is. Once again, if you'd like to check out the still pictures of this car, look down below in the description of this video, and there'll be a link that'll take you right to it. We do consider trades. Financing's available, and we can assist you with the transportation to where you're located at. Our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Phone number is 507-386-1726. 1996 Ford Mustang Mystic Cobra. Under 10,000 miles. 2-owner car. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Beautiful Mustang. Give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you.